Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Golden Gate single arch door today with Flemish glass. Show you guys all these cool features on this door and talk about some of this glass today. Thank you. So let's talk about this Golden Gate single arch door today. So this door comes in different shapes, the flat top, full arch, and arch. We also make this door in a double door in all the different variances of the shapes. This door today is oil rub bronze. This door is actually featured with the Flemish glass. This is a new glass, again, that we're starting to stock. Cool glass. It's basically it's almost supposed to mimic old vintage poured glass where it's uneven surfaces and it has like a little bit of a ripple behind it. Some of our customers are calling it like a vintage glass. I love it. I love this glass. I have it in a couple places in my own house. But yeah, let's talk about the door. So this door has straight bars, scrolly work, and it has some knuckles. So customers love it. That some people from doing this for a while, some people love scrolly stuff, some people hate scrolly stuff, some people like straight bars, some people hate straight bars, and some people don't like these knuckles, and some people love them. So this one has all three of them, so you can either whenever a husband and wife come in and one person doesn't like a straight bar, the other person likes the scrolly work, I always tell them, well, now you have both and you guys can't argue about it. So it actually works out. But really cool door. We've had a lot of success with this door. This door has a kick plate on the bottom. Again, almost all of our doors have the design duplicated on the opposite side also. And on this door, this has a kick plate. If you like a door without a kick plate, we can definitely make one under custom order. And if we have, if there's a specific glass you want or swing that we don't have in stock, use that special order tab, and we can make one specially for you and send it out to you. So it'll be a specific door made for you. Let's flip this door around and show you guys what the back side of this door looks like. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Golden Gate arch door today. Let's talk about how the glass opens first. Twist the knob, flick it over, glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass and clean the scroll work. Again, on all of our doors, almost all of our doors, you can custom make the door to accept a screen. We don't typically make doors with screens. We have a few doors that actually have screens automatically, which is the Lone Star, and I believe there's another door, I'm not positive. My brother just started that. This is all solid pickets, guys. All of our doors, all this tubing except the aerate, they're all solid pickets, and we actually bend and hammer these things into shape. Or actually these guys, we actually use a little jig that we clamp it onto and twist them. But the tips are definitely hammered to get it sharper. Really awesome door. Again, we've had a ton of success with this. I'm going to show you guys what this glass looks like. This is awesome. See the ripple effect it causes when the light's on the opposite side also. I don't know if you guys can see that. But really cool door. And this glass, I love it. It's pretty cool. It adds a little, like 20%, 10% of privacy, because it actually, should have thought about this earlier, but it does that. Yeah, I mean, it's awesome. This is a cool door. We typically sell a lot of sets with this door because a lot of people will like it on their wine cellar, and also they like it on their back door, and they do it on their front door. So remember, most of our designs, we also have interior doors with them. which this door we do, and eliminates the bottom threshold. So you actually have continuous flooring so that there's no interruption inside the house. And on some of the doors we have different kinds of boreholes also. So I hope you guys enjoyed the showcase today of the Golden Gate single arch door. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at Pinkies. Nope, you're going to contact us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com. That's info@PINKYS irondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.